Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your refrigerator dispenses ice cubes, but isn't dispensing any crushed ice, then it could be one of several problems. In this episode, first, we'll learn how it all works. Then, we'll inspect the ice bucket assembly. Finally, we'll install a new dispenser control board. This applies to some bottom freezer and side-by-side refrigerators. First, the ice maker ejects the ice cubes into the bin. When you press the paddle, it triggers a micro switch. The auger motor pushes the ice forward and out through the dispenser. When you select cubed ice, a solenoid will open a flap and allow the cubes to fall down the chute. When you select crushed ice, the flap will stay closed and the ice is crushed between several blades. Some models do not have a solenoid. Instead, the motor will switch directions to crush the ice. If the refrigerator dispenses ice cubes, it means that the auger motor and the solenoid are both working. A faulty control board might not switch to the crushed ice mode. Before anything else, it's best to unplug the refrigerator. Wait a couple of minutes, then plug it back in. This might reset the system. If this doesn't help, then the board might be faulty. Before replacing the dispenser board, it's best to inspect the ice bucket assembly. First, slide the ice bucket assembly forward to remove it. Turn the auger by hand and observe how it all moves. Look for any clumps of ice that might be stuck inside. There is a set of blades that pick up the ice and crush it against the stationary blades. In some cases, a broken mount might cause the blades to come loose. If the stationary blades move freely, then you might have to replace the ice bucket assembly. Now, if it's still not working, then it could be an issue with the dispenser control board. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. First, remove the display module. In some models, this will be held in by screws. Other models will snap into place. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to help release the panel. Now, take a picture of the wires for reference. Next, disconnect the wires. Now, remove the display module. In some models, you might also have to remove several mounting screws. Now, lift up the tabs and remove the control board. If the board was mounted on the module, then align the new control board and snap it into place. If needed, tighten the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness. Align the display module onto the mount. Now tighten the screws. If needed, replace the outer panel. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.